Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a zoom out text effect on CapCut. So what you need to do first is prepare your clips and also add the text that you want. And then to create a zoom out effect, you just need to click on the text and add a keyframe. So here I'm going to zoom in the text first. I'm going to make it big like this. Then add a keyframe at the start of the text, and now go to the end of the text and add another keyframe in here, and then just zoom out the text like this. Make it small. Okay, so when you're done, the text will become like this. It will have a zoom out effect. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like, and also comment if you have any questions. Bye.